Gaming at Three Rivers Casino Resort in Florence, Oregon. It's that time of year again. It's college bowl season. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a bet on our new kiosk interface. You'll see the games are set to default to pro football, the most popular. We're going to go to college football. We're going to build a parlay because I have $5 in this kiosk. Let's find our favorite teams. Back down, I think I missed it. Oregon State laying 10.5 against Florida. And let's go find our beloved Oregon Ducks. Oregon Ducks minus 14 against North Carolina. A hometown parlay. Hit parlay again. Our balance is 5. We'll set bet amount. $5. Done. Then we submit our bet. And remember, you can watch every bowl game on our 225 square foot screen. The games start 11:30 in the morning, December 16th, which is next Friday. We'll see you here. If you've used our kiosks before, you'll know what this is, and this is our easy mode. But what we've done is we have actually upgraded our kiosks for an advanced mode to make it more user-friendly for making teaser bets, parlays, and any multi-game wagers. You'll see here's the NFL games. You can scroll all on one page, but what we're here to talk about today is the college bowl games that start next Friday. We'll go to college football. Let's find a game that we really like. We all like Arkansas. It puts it in our cart, so to speak. And we all like to go against Alabama. So let's pretend we have a 2-game parlay here. It's straight bet parlay teaser. We're going to go parlay. We're going to set our bet amount. You can either use the fast numbers or just use this number. In this case, I'll bet $5. You're going to submit your bet. It's going to authorize. It's going to ask you, is this what you want? For authorization, it's to double check. And you hit submit bet, and you're in play.